Quick! When was the last time you checked your hearing? Let's do a home self-test now. Microtia is a birth defect that affects hearing. Could you or a loved one have it? First, let's do a phone volume test. Play this video at full volume, then decrease it click by click. If my voice isn't clear after about 7 to 8 clicks down, which is roughly half the maximum volume for most smartphones, your hearing may not be as sharp as it should be. That's a sign to get your ears checked. This will work on a computer at 50% volume as well. Next up, the finger rub test. Rub your fingers together right by your ear and slowly move them away. If the sound fades before reaching arm's length, you might need to see a hearing professional. Did you know? Catching microtia early can make a huge difference in treatment and quality of life. If this test opened your ears, spread the word this National Microtia Awareness Day. Tap follow for more health hacks you'll want to hear.